everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Got an awesome product from friends over at Otrifowd. This is the brand new MagShade for the Model 3 and Model Y. Today we're going to be unboxing the Model Y variant, and we're just going to be doing an unboxing today. This was sent in error, but we wanted to get it out because Otrifowd is having an amazing promotion for Prime Day, and we want to make sure that you guys take advantage of that. So inside the box is your MagShade. It's got a really well spelled out installation guide. It gives you all the pertinent information, the contents of the box, which are the front shade, the rear shade pry tool, and the magnetic clips. And then you have the installation instructions, locating the location for the midpoint. You can use the pry tool that's included to separate the headliner from the glass, and then simply just insert the magnetic snaps that come included. Once you open up the MagShade, these are similar to any other shade that you've seen before. The metal frame around the shade will attract to the magnetic clips and stay in place. Any questions, you could always reach out to Otrifowd. They have fantastic customer service. So inside the box, you have a black fabric pouch that the sunshades can be stored in. This is similar to any other sunshades that you've seen before. There is a smaller box inside, and inside that smaller box has your pry tool as well as the mag clips. So take a quick look, and the box is nicely labeled. First thing we'll see inside the box is the pry tool. It is a smaller pry tool, but it is a high quality. If you look at the back, you can see the crisscross pattern makes it much more sturdy than the flat pattern. That's definitely a welcome plus. Now we can take out these foam blocks, and underneath those foam blocks are going to be the patented mag clips, and these will be what holds the shades in place to the roof, allowing for quick and easy installation and uninstallation. So there are 6 mag clips in total, and what's great with these is that they stick together, so it's very difficult to lose them. You could peel one off here and you see they go right back onto the stack. Nice strong magnetic pull. Very impressed. Build quality is top notch. I really don't expect less from Otrifowd. Their products are really pretty amazing. And you can see those 2 clips are what stays underneath the headliner, and all that's exposed is the metal magnetic bar. So as I said earlier, there are 6 in total, and you're going to use 3 on each of the roof panels. Folks, today is Prime Day. It started, and we got some amazing deals from Otrifowd. For the next 2 days, from July 16th to the 18th, all of Otrifowd's products on their Amazon store are 20% off. So if you act quickly, head over to Amazon.com. Search for Otrifowd. I'll leave a link down in the description below. You can get these mag shades, which are originally $69.99, for an amazing 20% off, and get them for just over $40. And if you have Prime, you'll get them by Sunday, July 21st, so less than a week. So act now. Prime Day is here. Get your shopping on. Check out Otrifowd. And make sure you get your car ready for the summer. Now back to the unboxing. Let's check out what's inside the black pouch. So you have a nice zipper closure at the top. Check out what's inside. You have your 2 shades, Now, even for the Model Y, there is 2 shades. They will mesh in the middle. That is how it's designed. You have really nice leather pull tabs on the end, which are really well stitched and sturdy. Take a look at the fabric on the back. You have the reflective, they call it ice material, that is capable of blocking out most of the sun's heat. And then it's nicely labeled for front with this side up. So in case you mix up the 2 shades, you can't really forget which is which. And these open up just like any other sunshade that you've seen before, the pop-up ones. Just carefully pull it apart until it pops into place, just like so. And you can see there are no wrinkles in the fabric. It opened up very nicely. No deformities in the metal frame. The leather tabs are nice and well placed. Overall build quality, really high quality. And now let's check out how the mag clip works. And just like that, the shade itself will attach to the magnetic clip. And it can be easily taken in and out. Very simple, awesome design. And to fold it back up, simply grab it by both corners and twist to the middle and make a butterfly, and there you go. Very easy to close up. No issues folding it up. Check out the back shade now. Same premise here, no difference. Again, folds up real nicely into that bag. And we're gonna carefully open this up. We've got the leather markings on there. Again, they're really impressive with the leather straps and the imprinting on there. Really hard to mix up these two. Fabric is great quality. The ice material is very well done. Opens and closes very easily, just like so. This one had a little more wrinkles than the front, but nothing major. That'll all work itself out in the heat. Again, stitching is great. All along the frame, no gaps, no defects. Quality control is always top notch with Otrifowd. And just like with the front panel, we're going to grab it by the opposite corners and twist inward into the butterfly. Just like that. Very easy. Sometimes these can be very difficult to fold up. No issues whatsoever with this one. Got it on first shot on both pieces, so I'm happy with that. And they do slide right back into the storage bag. This can fit right into your sub trunk or your frunk, wherever you carry these in the summertime. If you live in a place that has hot climate year round, then these can probably go right in the back seat. Easily pack up your mag clips and the pry tool if you need it still. I'm going to keep mine in the bag for now. And you can order replacement mag clips from Otrifowd's website. They are available, so if one of them breaks or one of them gets lost, you can order more. If you want to add more, you can certainly do that as well. But really, really impressed with this whole kit. Excellent product from Otrifowd. Goes right back in the bag, no issue. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Happy Prime Day, happy shopping. I hope you guys have an amazing summer. We have a ton of content coming your way. Thanks so much. We'll see you in the next one.